Hi guys, it's Marissa and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hopefully you'll subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss one of my uploads. I upload every week now, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back again. So today we are doing these goddess faux locks, so let's just get into it. I applied castor oil to my parts so my scalp could be moisturized and promote growth, and I used the Murray's Edge wax just so my hair could be neatly in place. Once my hair is sectioned and detangled to my liking, now I'm ready to begin my single braid. Once all the braids are completed and we have established our ASAP Rocky look, we are able to crochet in the braiding hair that we'll be using today. So I use the Kema Ripple Deep hair. I've used Free Tress Deep Twist in the past for this. I don't really have a preference, whatever curly hair you want to use. And for the Marley hair, I'm using the Equal Cuban Twist. When you see me tugging the strands, I'm just trying to make sure that I have the length that I want so that we can begin wrapping. And at the beginning of the lock, I like to wrap around 2, maybe 3 times just so that it's secure. And then I'll begin wrapping down the lock. You want to make sure that you have the Marley hair fluffed out just so that you can cover more space with each rotation. Once we reach the bottom of the lock, I'm going to start wrapping back up in an upwards direction. And to seal off my locks, I used a nail glue. So just place a couple of small drops of nail glue on there and roll it back into the Marley hair, and it should be good to go. So for the hair that I'm using, the curly ends is actually a color number 4 and the Marley hair is a color number 2. They only had a color number 4 at my beauty supply store, and I didn't think that it would be that big of a deal. And to me, it looks fine. So this is what my finished hair is looking like. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, there's like 3 in the bag that haven't been wrapped yet, and they'll probably never be wrapped because I'm tired of doing this and I'm only gonna wear these braids for like 2-3 weeks, so we're just gonna keep it moving. All right, don't tell anybody, and if you see it, don't say anything. This concludes this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, share it with somebody, subscribe if you haven't already. We're slowly but surely gaining more subscribers to the family, and I appreciate everybody that subscribed thus far. As always, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.